I've been sent this 2-in-1 cordless Brad Nailer from WoodStarter to review, and right away I can tell you I'm totally over my pneumatic one and have adopted this thing in my shop, keeping it in reach, charged and ready to go. Here's my review and how I've used this to help me make some good money on Halloween decorations, as well as make a whole bench, also for the marketplace, using no other fasteners than this Brad Nailer. This 20-volt unit has plenty of power to send nails in whatever I've had to do so far, and enough battery for 500 to 1000 shots according to their specs, but plenty enough for all the jobs I've needed it for so far. It shoots straight and always at full power, which is one thing I've noticed with my pneumatic one. Right before the compressor kicked in, the last few shots weren't great. This solves this issue. Before doing this review, I wanted to get some work done with it, and not simply give you a list of things they claim it can do. The first use that came to mind was to save on screws and time while making this Halloween pillory that I sold on the marketplace for a massive profit. I used it to make the legs, holding the pieces together, acting as clamps while the glue dried. As you can see, it fires really fast, almost as fast as the pneumatic one. No fast and loud wind up like I've seen some smaller electric models do. Once I got to the legs, to get this thing up and assembled, I used it to hold my 45-degree supports in place as I finalized the rest and got ready to get screws in. The instant nail helps hold my position and is easily hidden in finishing, more so with such a rustic build. That's all nice. It really helped me save time on this build, which makes the profits I got from this build even nicer. Next, I wanted to build something that relied on it more, and not your simple birdhouse build or whatever you'd see when looking for such Brad Nail builds online. I love making benches, and I remembered a model that would be perfect for this tool, the construction wood cross-beam pattern. This kind of bench can be made without any screws, but the pieces tend to slide and twist as you apply pressure, throwing your whole project out of square. Having this throw 2-inch nails into this without issue helped keep everything flat, square, and easy to assemble. As you can see, making those two sides took no time at all, and I'm confident they'll dry where I wanted them to. This bench on the marketplace gets more than 5 times my material cost with minimal work time. It's a great project to make for this, and the WoodStarter Brad Nailer helped me make this easier, without having to deal with a loud compressor in my indoor shop. This Brad Nailer is a really good replacement to pneumatic ones if you don't mind a tiny delay between nails. If you're not a professional roof worker or making floors for a living, this is perfect. The tiny delay is super reasonable and perfect for woodworking. It feels high quality and has yet to fail me on any nail. No nails going sideways or out of my wood or not deep enough. Speaking of depth, it's adjustable, with this wheel to make the nails go deeper or closer to the surface. The package comes with everything you need to get going, from brand nails to staples. Switching to staples is as simple as putting them in and using the tool. It has an easy view of how many nails you have left and holds a full row of nails right out the box. I would recommend this tool. Thanks to WoodStarter for sending it over for review. Check out the description for links on where to purchase it. You'll be seeing this a lot more in future videos, as I'm keeping this and sending the compressor to the shed, as I don't see myself ever using it indoors again with this around. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.